Mo, Larry, and Shep. Actually, it's Ma'am that's playing.
Who is it now?
It's mostly Glue Stick. Grand Slam.
Glue Stick.
Yep. Grand Slam. Story's playing a little bit, but mostly Grand Slam. Nikki, you're in the way. Kasey, you're heading to the way.
That's Glue Stick.
First day to have the stock. Take up in the summer spot. Gotta play in it.
Does he do that with his face?
Yeah. She has her nose down in there. Oh, Story's trying to get his feet in there. Nikki's telling him knock it off. Okay, Daisy, you're so funny. Quit. Bumping the camera.
Gotta come over on this side.
Nah, it's working. This is just hilarious. Hi, Nikki. You hell donkey, you.